Party hard, unveil the fun in English slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, your go-to place for learning English with ease and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably heard a lot in songs, movies, or maybe in a conversation: party hard. Have you ever wondered what it exactly means? Well, today, I'm going to explain this fun phrase so you can understand it and use it like a native speaker. So, let's get the party started. The phrase, party hard, is quite straightforward. It's made up of two words: party, which means a social gathering of people who have come together to have a good time, celebrate an event, or simply enjoy each other's company. And hard, which is often used to imply intensity or to do something with a lot of effort and energy. When combined, these words create a phrase that's all about enjoying yourself to the fullest at a social event with no holds barred. It means you're not just going to a party to make an appearance. You're there to make the most of the experience, often involving dancing, music, and sometimes the implication of consuming alcohol, though it doesn't necessarily require it. Party hard is commonly used in informal contexts. It's a phrase that embodies the idea of releasing your stress, letting your hair down, and immersing yourself in the joyous atmosphere of a celebration. In conversations, are you going to Jim's birthday party? Yes, and I'm ready to party hard. We just finished our exams. It's time to party hard. In popular culture, you'll find many references to party hard in songs and movies, which may be where you've heard it most frequently. It represents a carefree attitude that's all about making the most of the moment. Remember, while party hard reflects enthusiasm and energy, it's important to always party responsibly and ensure that your idea of fun is safe and respectful to others and yourself. While party hard is quite a popular term, there are some variations you can use to mix things up or understand when others use them. Go all out. It means to do something to the extreme, with all your energy. Live it up, to enjoy life to the fullest without worrying about the consequences. Celebrate in style, to celebrate in an extravagant or lavish manner. Have a blast, to enjoy something very much. These phrases all circle back to the concept of enjoying a social event or celebration enthusiastically and energetically. And that's a wrap on Party Hard. Now you know what it means and how to use it. Next time you're at a celebration, you can express your excitement and intent to have a great time with this phrase. Remember, language learning can be as fun as the phrases you're learning. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language content. Keep learning, and of course, when it's time to celebrate, party hard, but party safe. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!